1. I wake up early every morning.
1. I wake up early every morning.
2. She drinks a cup of coffee.
2. She drinks a cup of coffee.
3. They walk to school together.
3. They walk to school together.
4. He reads the newspaper daily.
4. He reads the newspaper daily.
5. We enjoy listening to music.
5. We enjoy listening to music.
6. I like learning new things.
6. I like learning new things.
7. She works very hard.
7. She works very hard.
8. They play football in the evening.
8. They play football in the evening.
9. He drives carefully.
9. He drives carefully.
10. We talk on the phone.
10. We talk on the phone.
11. I write in my notebook.
11. I write in my notebook.
12. She cooks delicious food.
12. She cooks delicious food.
13. They clean their room.
13. They clean their room.
14. He watches TV at night.
14. He watches TV at night.
15. We travel on weekends.
15. We travel on weekends.
What am I doing? Write in the comments section and subscribe. 17. She practices speaking.
17. She practices speaking.
18. They visit their grandparents.
18. They visit their grandparents.
19. He fixes his bicycle.
19. He fixes his bicycle.
20. We help each other.
20. We help each other.
21. I wash my hands before eating.
21. I wash my hands before eating.
22. She waters the plants.
22. She waters the plants.
23. They feed the dog.
23. They feed the dog.
24. He opens the window.
24. He opens the window.
25. We close the door.
25. We close the door.
What am I doing? Write in the comments section and subscribe. 27. She checks her emails.
27. She checks her emails.
28. They plan the trip.
28. They plan the trip.
29. He buys vegetables.
29. He buys vegetables.
30. We enjoy our meals.
30. We enjoy our meals.
31. I clean my desk. 32. She paints beautiful pictures. 33. They share their lunch. 34. He learns new skills. 35. We finish our homework. 36. I take a short walk. 37. She practices yoga. 38. They jump with excitement. 39. He smiles at everyone. 40. We take care of ourselves. 41. I drink enough water. 42. She writes stories. 43. They read comic books. 44. He repairs his phone. 45. We organize our things. 46. I check the time. 47. She listens carefully. 48. They follow the rules. 49. He forgets his keys. 50. We keep learning. 51. I love sunny days. 52. She sings softly. 53. They dance happily. 54. He solves puzzles. 55. We laugh together. 56. I practice writing sentences. 57. She helps her brother. 58. They play video games. 59. He washes his clothes. 60. We prepare for the day. 61. I draw simple sketches. 62. She rides her bicycle. 63. They climb the stairs. 64. He ties his shoelaces. 65. We stay positive. 66. I save money. 67. She learns to cook. 68. They study for exams. 69. He eats healthy food. 70. We exercise regularly. 71. I make my bed. 72. She turns on the computer. 73. They wait for the bus. 74. He checks the weather. 75. We enjoy the fresh air. 76. I stretch my body. 77. She brushes her hair. 78. They follow instructions. 79. He carries a backpack. 80. We share ideas. 81. I open my notebook. 82. She writes a message. 83. They call their friends. 84. He closes his laptop. 85. We start our work. 86. I relax for a moment. 87. She folds her clothes. 88. They drink cold water. 89. He looks at the sky. 90. We breathe deeply. 91. I take notes in class. 92. She joins the meeting. 93. They visit the park. 94. He checks his wallet. 95. We buy some snacks. 96. I take a break. 97. She rests for a while. 98. They return home. 99. He turns on the fan. 100. We end the day peacefully.